How to use coupons in Shein app. If you want to use coupons on the Shein app, then you can follow these quick simple steps. First, log into your Shein account using your Shein application or using the Shein.com website. Once you're inside the app, go and select a product and add it on your shopping bag. Click on the product, and after you are done selecting the size, colors and other details for your product, and tap on add to cart in order to add the product in your shopping cart. Once you are done and finished with your shopping, you can tap open the shopping cart at the top right and then tap on the checkout button at the bottom right hand corner. Now during checking out, you'll need to enter your shipping address and other details. After filling in all of your shipping address details, tap save and you'll be taken to the order confirmation page. Here you'll need to confirm your order, select your shipping methods, enter your payment method and much more. To apply for a coupon, simply go ahead and tap on the apply coupon button and select the coupon or simply enter the coupon number and tap on apply, and then you'll be able to apply for coupons in Shein. After you do that, you can continue with the process of shopping at Shein's having used the coupon. That is how you can easily apply for coupons on your Shein purchases. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another video from Webtech Tutorial. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thank you for watching.